Hi everyone, this is David from the Post team at In-House Solutions. I'm here today to show you how to program balance turning with our IKE posts. So let's get into it. So it's quite simple, but if you don't remember how to program it, open up the post and search balance. You'll see that we have a few notes on how to program it. You'll see that we need to program two rough or finish operations, ideally with a single pass. So I'm going to select the upper chain and I'll program the upper stream first. It doesn't matter, you can start with the lower stream and then do upper. Select the finish tool and most importantly set the miss value. As you can see, we need to set it to -1 to set it to balance turning. Now we can program the lower turret or second stream. So just getting the geometry from the bottom this time, selecting the same geometry that's just mirrored around to make sure that it's the same pass. With balance turning, you want it to be the exact same. This time the left lower axis combination is selected. Gonna select the right tool for the lower turret, another finish tool. And again, just set the miss value to -1. That way the post knows those two operations are meant to be balance turned together. So that should be it for programming. Let's see how it looks. Post the code. This is on the Nakamura WT. It's supported in all of our IKE lathe posts if you have a upper and lower turret, but I just use the Nakamura as an example. So here's the code. I'll put them side by side so you can see both streams together. Upper stream on the left, lower on the right. As you can see, we output the balance turn G68, a wait code before, and that's that.